Yuricel Tamayo Alvarez. I'm from Cuba and work for the Roche affiliate in Ecuador. I'm a specialist in regulatory affairs and also in quality assurance. Well, my company is a very strong patient-centric, and we are doing now what patient needs next. It was like a storytelling about how we are working in Ecuador to try to influence the health authority to adopt e-labeling in the small molecular and large molecular folding box to have a positive impact in the safety of the patient, because this is the one of the most important benefit of the e-labeling. It's a very interesting question. In fact, we are working together with the Environmental Ministry of in Ecuador with an initiative to look for use or recycling material to make the folding box and all the material related to the packaging of the product to reduce the carbon footprint in the country. This is something that we are working on. I think it was a very hard work, but a very well done work also, because it's great. It's a very nice Congress. All in schedule, they have chance to interact and to connect with other colleagues to talk about the project we are taking in our countries. A very nice experience. Definitely. In fact, in the last session I take part, some idea bring to my mind, because I noticed that we are all working in the same, but what we really need is put all our efforts together and to connect in like a global network to achieve finally what we want, that is have a very positive impact in the safety of the patients.